दोस्तों, अगर आपको हमारी यह वीडियो पसंद आए तो यहाँ से लाइक जरूर करें और ऐसी ही और वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में बेल आइकन।
Hello, my name is Chime, and you're listening to the NCS Alpha Mix. My track from the album is called Phototropic, which is a word to describe something that moves towards light. It's usually used for moths and other creatures like that, but I twisted the meaning around and used it as a metaphor to describe my track, which is about improvement and moving towards a better version of yourself. So for that reason, the track has a very uplifting feel and also kind of acts as a showcase of how far I've come with my music. Yeah, I hope you all enjoy.